Hello developers! Do you use WebViews to collect payments on Android? If so, we are happy to tell you that Google Pay is now supported within Android WebView. In this video, I will walk you through the changes needed in your app or SDK in order to accept Google Pay as a payment method. But first, let me highlight the benefits of this new feature if you embed your checkout process by using a WebView. Your users will be able to purchase seamlessly using Google Pay through an Android native experience and use device tokens from their Google Wallet, providing you with a high-quality token. All you need are a couple of simple changes to enable payment requests and see the rest of it come to action. First, add the Android X.WebKit dependency to your Android project using your favorite build system. If you're already using Android X.WebKit as a dependency, update the version and make sure it's higher than 1.14.0. Also, make sure to test on a device with Chrome 137 or higher and Google Play services with a version higher than 25.18.30. As a next step, adjust your Android manifest to allow Chromium-defined actions. Pay is ready to pay and update payment details. Finally, enable the payment request API for the WebView you use in your app or SDK by using the Web Settings Combat directive in the WebKit dependency introduced earlier. Make sure to use the correct import statement. No other Google Pay specific changes are needed. That's it. These are the changes needed to use Google Pay within your WebViews. Remember that your application needs to be approved in the Pay and Wallet console and await approval from our support team before using Google Pay in production. As you can see, the changes needed to your app or SDK in order to accept Google Pay within Android WebView are simple and straightforward. Offering Google Pay increases checkout speed and improves the user experience in your application. If you have any questions about Google Pay within Android WebView, make sure to join the official Google Pay and Wallet developer community in the payments channel on Discord. Find more information and links to other resources around Google Pay in the video description. Thank you for watching, and until next time.